Hello, Digicians. Email marketing is always been a trusted source of communication, and even it is being commonly used for promotional activities. In this video, we have a perfect application through which you can launch your email marketing solutions. As we are exploring different ideas, different digital business ideas on this channel, so we are going to discuss MailWizz, which is a email marketing application available at Code Canyon. But yes, you need to watch this complete video so that you may get an idea how this system works and how you can launch your digital business. And you can of course upload many there are many options on this channel itself, so you can explore other options as well as your digital business or SaaS business startup. And you can also connect us on a live chat to explore more ideas if you have something in your mind that you want to launch. So all can be done without any coding skill or without any technical knowledge. So in this video we have MailWizz, and let us start the admin panel. How you are going to handle, let us assume you are being the administrator. Okay, so let us go through a quick demo panel. So this is admin demo, and the next what we can do is we need to understand how the backend app is used for administrative tasks, and here only the system users have access. There is a different level of access like customer app and the front end app that I'm going to show in this video itself. Further, we have cron job setup that can apply for most important thing that you have to do after install the application to make sure all the cron jobs are set properly. This is what is a technical thing. Your customer account, when you first install when you first install the application, you were asked to create a customer account. In case you have done so, please go ahead to create one. Okay, that is fine. So delivery servers, you need to choose the servers are needed in order to send out all the emails from the application, even if it is about sending and confirmation mail or email campaign or test mail. So server is required, of course. So bounce servers are also here, so you can get an idea through this quick summary. And now I'm going to close this. So this is the dashboard where we can explore all the controls, and you being the admin since you are launching your business. And this is the recent activity screen, which is showing what is going inside the system most recently. Alright, so we can start with the setting screen, which is the first thing that you need to do. So in the common setting, you have to rename your site name. Of course, you are going to launch a white label solution. You have to keep your own name or what you are launching. The basic details like clean URLs, site keywords, and the application auto update status or the API status can be updated here. System URLs is the thing where you can set up the front end absolute URL through which it is going to be accessed, and customer URL that the customer will use to access the solution. Further, we have the backend access URL, absolute URL. Reverse proxy is again a thing that you can set with the Cloudflare, and site behind Cloudflare can be enabled here, and site behind regular proxy can be enabled here. So it is just a security measure. Import export is a thing where you can import the setting, like you can enable the site limit megabyte, and so these are all basic settings that you need to do at very first level. Email templates, of course, this is a very important thing, and you can create email templates, or you can get all the information how the templates are going to working inside the system, and the common email templates are here, so you can check email templates, or even you can update the existing email templates. And of course the shortcodes are here, so you can pull the dynamic data and that can be used directly in the email templates. Cron is a thing where you can set the cron for the system, where you can adjust the campaign at once and change the server at 200 emails delivery and all, so that the emails should be cleared and it's not dropped in spam, right? Email blacklist can be added here. Similarly, we have campaign setups. So basic setup about the campaigns, like what attachment can be done, in what format extensions are allowed, the template tags and the exclude IPs, the blacklist words, and the template engine, webhooks, and miscellaneous settings are also here. Transactional emails, if it is like OTP like thing, so it can be set here. So we are configuring REST operations can be done through the different screens, so that I'll show you. Next is the customers, where you can set the common settings about the customers, the servers, the domains, and the list, and the campaigns, surveys, quota counters, and sending the CDN and the registration status. So you can enable the registration for customer, API, sub accounts, and the landing pages. Further, we have two-factor authentication setting and the API settings that we can use for API allow access. The start pages you can set here, like the backend and the icon heading. So you can change the front end text using this area. Like this area allows you to create simple front end and all. So you can all edit these areas. Monetization is a thing where you are going to enable it to get income from your system, and the invoices option is also here. Customization is the screen where you can upload the logo image or icon of for the backend. Similarly, we have CDN configuration and SPF and DKIM settings are also here. Okay, so I'll come back to the dashboard and we will certainly go for the complete system flow starting from the users. Since you are the admin, you are going to create users at your account where who are going to use the system. I'll also show you the customer and then the user panel. So you can simply create new users, as many as you need, by simply putting the basic information about the user. And similarly, you can create user group as you need, and in the group users, they will have same privilege, same permissions. Next is customers, because we are simply launching a email service portal, and you can add customers here, and the customers will be able to access their dashboard, their application using their own credentials. So you can create new customer using this simple form, putting the name and the password, the time zone, and rest of information, and it is going to be pretty simple. And next is also the customer groups. List simply indicates the list of customers that they basically the thing I mean here what is going inside the system through the customers, and this is the detail. It is some sort of report, you can say. All campaigns, what is going, and regular campaigns, what is set to be run regularly, auto responders, the surveys, the mass emails, the message, and the so the message is a thing where email template will be used, and the login logs and the notes. Monetization is the thing where you might be much focused, because this is the area where we can set the payment gateways and the price plans, the orders, the promo codes, the currencies, and the taxes. Further, we have to configure the email servers that we are going to use for the emailing activities, and you need to take a service provider for this, like SMTP and IDS. So you can create new servers by filling all these information. Like if you are taking any of these service provider, you can go directly for customization and updating the records so that the servers may be configured. However, you can use the custom server, like if you are using the SMTP details from your existing server, subjected they are allowing for bulk mailing and all. So you can create configure the existing servers and by filling all these details. The bounce servers and the feedback log servers, email box monitors, and the wrap up plans are also here. Further, you can configure the custom domain so that the email should look official, and you can create the official domain for your customer. Like you can configure the domain name, the DKIM, signing, and the verified list, and so that the customers may use their own domain for their emailing activity. Transactions emails are the another section where the customers can use the transaction email feature. Email blacklist, extend, and the content, just in case. Like content is here, the menus. So content means the first, the throughout the system what is going to be sent through mails and all. So the menus, pages are the other things from which you can manage the front end of the website. Locations, so you can set the location, zones, and setting I have already shown you. Now I'll show you the customer dashboard. Okay, so now I am here at the customer dashboard. It is going to be more simple for customers who are accessing the application for emailing activity. Dashboard is showing all the briefs what is inside the system. List are the thing where all the emailing activities can be seen, the tools like sync subscribers or split, IP blacklist, and the campaign. This is the main thing where the customer are going to set their email campaigns, and they can create new campaigns by filling the credentials. This is going to be super simple. So simplicity is the best thing with this application, and they can choose their list and the group and all. So the user groups and the customer groups can be easily selected, setup, template, and so there are 4 steps we can say. So details, setup, template, and confirmation, so that the campaign may run properly. So the regular campaigns are here, can be seen, and the autoresponders group as I shown in the admin tag. Email templates has been given separately so that templates may be chosen here, and further the new email templates can be created from here. So it is so customizable, so the customer will be able to create their own email template. Landing pages like domains, if any approved domain for customers, and the service. So this is a end-to-end solution for the email marketing, and the MailWizz can be availed at codecanyon.net through the video description link. You might have certain question how you'll do certain things, so don't hesitate in connecting with us at Digital BE DBX program, where you'll get all the supports. You can discuss a lot of things before you start. For MailWizz, you need to spend $89 for this application. Further, you need a hosting and a domain, of course. So, and this solution is going to be installed by us, and it will be ready for you directly for your uses, and there is no fee for that. You just need to buy the solution through the link, that is an affiliate link. So this is only condition, and we can discuss further if you are looking for a particular solution for your digital business. In the next video, I am coming with more solutions for you. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, and don't miss to explore the Digital BE services, where you can get ideas how you can start a SaaS business, or how you can start your own digital agency without having any team, without having any knowledge, in fact. So it is all for you, and we can discuss lot of things about the digital marketing, the digital business setups and all. So let us continue on the next video. Thank you.